Calculating profit margin for Amazon FBA Wholesale involves assessing your revenue and cost to determine profitability. Here's a step-by-step method. Determine selling price, the price at which you sell your product on Amazon. Calculate Amazon fees, referral fees, a percentage of the selling price, typically 15% depending on the category. FBA fees includes fulfillment fees and storage fees. Calculate cost of goods sold, the total cost to purchase or manufacture the product. This includes the wholesale price, shipping to Amazon, and any additional costs. Include other expenses. Consider costs such as Amazon advertising, promotional discounts, and returns. Calculate profit. Profit equals selling price minus Amazon fees plus cost of goods sold plus other expenses. Calculate profit margin. Profit margin equals profit divided by selling price times 100. Example calculation.